Hey, what's up? It's Able James here. Thanks to God, it's another day. We stay positive as always. Hope you're having a good time and having a great time. Today I'm going to talk about the main concept of this channel, the core concept of this channel, the digital marketing. Most of you, they don't know what the digital marketing is. Most of you, they don't know what is digital marketing doing, what's the history, what are the elements of digital marketing, what are the strategies that are using by the digital marketers to do the digital marketing proper way. So I'm going to start to tell you what the digital marketing is. Digital marketing is the component of marketing which utilize the internet and the digital devices. Means they use digital devices to utilize the internet, like mobile phone or desktop computers, laptops. So in a core concept, digital marketing are those ways of people that use to utilize the use of internet by using devices to sell their product and services. Many brands right now, they're using different kind of things to sell their product using digital marketing through different components. So I'm going to tell you what is the components of digital marketing. The first one is SEO, search engine optimization. But there's more than that. There's these things called SEM, search engine marketing. What is that? So SEO, it's help a user to find a certain product easily in your website, in your social media account. Everywhere which you sell your product, you make it easy. So you pay for the traffic. What is traffic? Traffic is those are buying. Traffic is the process of a user to buy customers. You buy customers using different kind of purchases. Most of the social media platforms right now, they have a different kind of traffic. If you pay, you can pay per month, per week, and etc. Search engine optimization marketing. This one is very large and it's used by the big companies. Search engine optimization marketing. This is a different kind of marketing component which they're being used by different kind of customers to sell their product. So they use different kind of campaign, and those campaigns which right now they're used in a different kind of platform. Those digital agencies, companies like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, they have a different kind of campaign which they may help you to sell the products. So that is search engine optimization marketing. Another one is called content marketing. Content marketing is a digital marketing component which focus on creating, on distributing, on increasing the rate of their customers. So content creation, content marketing is all about increasing the viewers online. Many of the people right now, they do content creation. They create banners, they create adverts, what you see in a TV, you see the billboards in the street. Those are the content creation. Those are content marketing. Content marketing is a key component of marketing because without content, you can't publish your product or services. You need to have enough content to publish your business, you publish your services. So what is important of doing this content marketing? First of all, it's increase the customer base, it attract customers, it increase sales, it increase revenue because it is a key base of marketing. So you need to have a full content, attractive content, very innovative content to increase the sales, to increase the customer base in your business. For your watching, I hope you enjoy all this content I've been sharing with you. I hope it will help you. Make sure you follow me on all my agency platforms, from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I'm everywhere. Just type it's Able James and you're gonna follow me there. We're gonna recap and exchange. Make sure you hit that ring button so that when I upload my video, it's gonna be easy for you to get notified and get all these important updates. In Swahili, I'm gonna say kwaheri. In English, I'm gonna say bye. In Chinese, I'm gonna say 再见.